In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom in your browser. Whether you're new to Zoom or looking for a more efficient way to join meetings, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. With just a few clicks, you can be connected and ready to participate in any virtual meeting. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. It might be Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, whichever you feel most comfortable with. In the search bar, type Zoom and press enter. You'll see a list of search results, but look for the official Zoom link, which is often on top. Click that link to go to the Zoom homepage. Once you're on the Zoom website, the next step is to sign in. At the top right corner of the page, you'll see the sign in button. Click it, and you'll be directed to a new page where you need to enter your login details. This is where you enter your registered email and your password. If you usually log in with Google, Facebook, or another service, you'll see those options there as well. Selecting one of these options will redirect you to log in through that particular service. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on your Zoom dashboard, which is also known as Home. You may get a quick overview of upcoming meetings, settings, and other features. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout. It's the control center for all your Zoom activities. If your goal is to schedule a meeting, you'll want to navigate to the Schedule a Meeting option. Usually, this is represented by a calendar icon or a button prominently displayed on the dashboard. Clicking on it will open up a form where you can set the date, time, and duration of your meeting. You can also add a meeting topic and description, which can help keep your attendees informed and prepared for the meeting content. Once you've filled out the meeting details, make sure to hit the Save or Schedule button. Doing this will finalize your meeting setup and generate a unique meeting ID and URL that you can share with your participants. Remember, it's crucial to share this link with those invited to your meeting so they can join seamlessly when it starts. And that's it. You now know how to access and use Zoom directly from your web browser. This method provides you with all the functionalities of the desktop app, with the convenience of not having to download extra software. Whether you're setting up for work, a community event, or just a casual online chat, Zoom in your browser is a straightforward and reliable option. Thank you for watching, and happy Zooming!